How to make herb quark dip. You will need chives, parsley, onion, quark, yogurt, lemon juice and salt. Ask an adult for help cutting if you need it. Hold the onion on the stem and cut along the bulb. Careful not to cut your fingers. Then cut across the other way to create little cubes of onion. Throw the stem away. Lay the chives together and cut into half. Pile one half on top of the other. Then starting from one end, cut into small pieces. Roll the parsley into a ball and tear off any large stem pieces. Cut into small pieces from one end to the other. Then freely chop the parsley to get any bigger pieces you might have missed. Put the quark in a large bowl. Add the yogurt, onion, herbs, salt, and lemon juice. Mix together with a spoon until everything looks smooth. You can eat this with potato, on bread, or as a dip.